So when it comes to a reading text from document. Okay, so what you can do here is, so something like this. So if it is just text document, text file, txt file, or maybe .csv, or for these you can directly use f equal to open and file path. You can use read mode, and maybe read is enough, binary is not needed. So we can do data equal to f dot read, and then you can close the file. Okay, this would be enough, like you are able to get all your data into this. Okay, but in case of csv as well, you can give the same thing, or maybe for excel files, so maybe here as well you can use csv, or maybe xls, xlsx, or any other tabular data, right? So you can use pandas. So in pandas you have pd dot read csv and give the file path, or pd dot read excel and give the file. So like this you will be able to do. Okay, so in case if you have like pdfs, so this is where challenge it is challenging, right? So even for word document, there are like few libraries which I am not aware as of now, because I'm not sure exactly, but there are like few libraries for doing this as well. So let me talk about pdf now. So in case of pdf, again it is divided into uh, like pdf with properly documented text, means like where you can selectable text. I'm calling it a selectable text, but I'm not sure what name we can use for that. Or is it a pdf? So a scanned image pdf. So what it can be is like selectable text is where you can edit a pdf, or maybe you are able to select the text by just by clicking or using mouse. Okay, so it means the text can be extracted or copied directly from that in such kind of pdfs. So that will be quite easy to do it. So you can use like some libraries like PyNew pdf, so which is really very good like library to get it. Or there is also popular, and there is pdf to text. So there are like many others, like actually, like, but I regularly use like Spiny pdf for doing this, but you can use any of these. So if it is a scanned image, so this is where it is challenging. So in case if it is a scanned image, like by using these tools, you may not be able to get very good values. Okay, so for that case, what you can do is you have to use like libraries, like for doing ocr libraries. So where you do, what you do is like initially extract each page by using pdf to image library. You extract each page, and each page what you'll do is you'll pass it through ocr, so which can be one pytestrat. Let me write this name properly. So this we can use pytestrat, which what it will do is if you pass an image and there is some text on it, so it will extract the text. So that can be done using this pytestrat. So each page you can extract using this pdf to image, and it will be converted into image, and it is sent through this ocr. So from here it will extract the text, and you have to append each page text separately, and then form it as a kind of an entire document. So this is how it is done in case of a scanned pdf. So you can also, instead of pytestrat, maybe if your organization has some license OCR, this is open source one. If it has some licensed ocr, so you can also use like abby is one licensed ocr, like which people use. So let me write in case in organizations. So but like they cost per like every time it is a like it will be available as an API. So every API call will be charged. So this in this case, like what you people do is they will send all the images as a single at a time, okay, at a one stage. So then it will give you all the text at a time, but there is a limit for every each API call how much you have to send, so something like that. So this is also, but that is the different issues. But rather than that, you can also use these packages to get those text. So apart from this, there is also something like tabular form. So PDF. So in PDF, in case if you have tabular forms, so packages like Tabula will do very well. I have used only this, like there may be others as well, but I have observed that this Tabula work really well in case of extracting a tabular forms from the PDF. Okay, so these are all about PDF. Similarly, in case of if we want to extract text from images, you can directly use this PyTestRat, and then using this PyTestRat, you can get the text. So these are the solutions which are readily available. Or else, if you want to customize it to your own problem and you don't want to use open source, then you can train your own model for doing this OCR and extraction of this text. Okay, so these are the methods which can be used for reading documents, and then you can follow these steps for every kind of NLP problem and achieve it. Okay.